Good morning, family. I hope all your travels been well in Australia, Hong Kong, and Japan, and kung saan pa.
Hong Kong?
Oh, yung fam ko.
Oo nga pala. Yeah.
So lahat nagsi-alisan.
Oo nga no.
Sorry, hindi kami nakakapag-upload recently and in VGC. But natapos ko na yung volunteering ko, and that's why today we will be bonding. We're off to the Toronto Zoo, so it's 11 o'clock now and kakaalis pa lang namin. Hopefully by around 12 nandun na kami kasi malaki daw. Then 5:30 yung closing right now. But happy naman kasi pwedeng bumalik if hindi mo complete because may free canoe app kami. So it's 11 now and it's 13 degrees kaya ganyan yung attire namin. Pero masarap naman yung lamig. So hope everyone's been safe. Hi love! So we are at Scarborough. It's the first time we've been this far off in Scarborough. Mga 1 hour away din, no?
Far off, I mean first time to be alone.
To be alone na medyo mas malayo. Oo nga, tama.
We went to Niagara.
Oo nga pala. So ito yung itsura ng outside ng Toronto Zoo. Yun na. Mga United Nations, mga Commonwealth. Wait, ba't may US flag kaya, no? US flag yan, right?
We're not American.
Ha?
So we have to show them the tickets, right?
Yes. Let's ask.
Let's ask.
Yun. Thank you, canoe. So $40 general admission.
Yeah.
So at least naka 40 each free.
Yeah.
Thank you, canoe. I was reading on the Guardians of the Wild thing, right? Then I checked online, and parang they're proud of the conservation, sustainability, and yung pag-alaga nila sa animals here. That's I was explaining to the camera, di ba? You're taking your breeding now, and parang Canada is very important for Canada to take care of animals, of plants. So, isa yun sa very impressive. Maganda yung culture na yun. Where are we?
We're in the Malaya, I think.
Oh.
Very, familiar to us.
Sige, so ang plan namin ni Ira, since we just have around 4 hours and a half left, we're just gonna go straight to the Canadian section.
I want to see the Canadian.
Tsaka yung Arctic section, right? Sobrang swerte rin namin ni Ira. It's the perfect time to go because hindi umuulan. Pero ang lamig, sarap. Okay, we're first going to Africa because that's the only way to be able to get into the Canadian domain. Daan ka muna Africa. Sa South yan, di ba? Africa. are not stopping for anything, even the African domain, until we get to the Canadian domain. Pero grabe oh, napaka-scenic. No? Yun lang yung solid talaga, yun talaga ma-appreciate mo rin sa mga Canadians. Hindi important yung sobrang gandang infrastructure. More ano talaga, environmentally. Namin ni Ira, hindi kami magsa-stop until sa Canadian. Pero meron kaming animals na nakita na for the first time. What is that? Galing naman. It's an Ankole Watusi cattle.
What is that?
They're Ankole. Galing oh. Galing oh.
Ano lang sila? Chill nga lang.
Chill lang sila eh, no? As in kaus lang sila eh. Cattle lang talaga sila eh. Nag-graze lang sila. Ang galing oh. Iba yung itsura ng mga cattle. Ang galing.
Ankole Watusi cattle.
Have the longest horns in the bovine family. Ang galing.
Ganda. At saka ang ganda ng horn ng isa. Tignan mo. Isa sa
Ay, yung isa ano nga no? Yung isa straight.
devil.
Uy, grabe siya.
Straight yung horn niya.
Okay, ito tayo sa mga Canadians.
Ganda. Ganda ng Ankole Watusi.
Totoo. I think yung Canadian domain yung pinaka hindi na-visit dito. Kasi it's a far off place.
Yeah, it's far and yeah, there are kids that you want to bring there.
Yeah.
You have to carry them.
Hindi ba? Hindi ba ba super far off? Ah, sorry. And
according to the map, there's a steep hill.
Peak Hill.
Steep hill.
Steep Hill. Ah, maybe ito na yung Steep Hill, right?
Yeah. Mukhang ito na.
When we say far, it's a 20-minute walk. Pero I mean, di ba? Kung may kids ka. And meron ng ganitong ano eh, pathing na kailangan mong daanan. So itong bonding namin ni Ira, all in one. May exercise pa.
Oo, actually, yun naman nakaka-appreciate sa park eh.
Ah, sa bagay.
Observe with nature.
That's true. Ganda. Perfect weather.
Yeah.
Totoo, ang init nito kung ano. Well, hindi naman kasi may mga trees eh, no? Pero still. Yung daddy, sinabi ng daddy, here we're going to see squirrels and raccoons here. Nasabi ng bata, but dad, I already see squirrels. Nasabi ng dad, but this is an exhibit, it's not in the trash.
Oh my God.
Kasi for context, sobrang dami squirrel dito sa Canada. Kasi it's everywhere.
I mean, he's not wrong.
Swerte lang yung mga squirrel, cute sila. Kaya hindi sila counted as ano. Hello? Ibang view naman.
Yeah.
Pero mahirap makita yung ano. This is what we're going through. Oh, ito na, Canadian na. Nasa Canadian domain na tayo. What is this? It's a raccoon. Come on, love. Okay, we saw the raccoons. They are sleeping.
Ah, there they are. Yeah.
They're sleeping.
No. I think it's eating.
Oo nga, kumakain lang siya. Okay, so after seeing the chilling raccoons, what's here? Pero ang ganda naman na, kasi hindi naman nga sila malungot kasi ang laki talaga ng lupa nila eh. Oh. Ito na, Ray. Ah, healthy bison!
Uy, gusto ko ng bison.
Ayan no, dito tayo.
Gusto ko ng
Ayun yung bison, Ray. Kaya sobrang layo niya, kaya may ano eh. Ayun yung bison, no?
Kaya may binoculars.
Oh, may binoculars. To be fair, healthy naman siya. Laki niya. There's the bison. It's far off.
Yeah.
Ayun siya, chilling.
Yeah.
Chilling.
Well, I'm happy that it's not near us.
Yeah.
At least you know that it's
Chilling.
protected. Yeah.
Yeah. And ang laki nung ano niya, oh. Ang laki nung...
And hopefully it's not that stressed if it's far from the people.
Yeah. Shy, secretive, and solitary, cougars have earned the nickname ghost cats as they prefer undisturbed areas with little human activity. Oh. Pero maganda naman nga rin na malayo sila. If they want, dun sila, lumayo sila. Nandun sila, oh. Kaya maliit nga yung enclosure niya, eh, no? Sana okay lang siya.
Sabihin ko, ito meaning mo, di ba? Ito meaning mo.
Okay, the cougar is chilling inside its habitat, so we can't see it right now. Tulog.
Yung grizzly bear, yung polar bear.
So, yun daw yung animal ni Ira, grizzly bear sa Impossible Creatures.
Tapos ihahalo ko sa whale.
Sa whale?
Hindi yung whiteback, yung ano yun? Killer whale.
Meta ba yun? Meta yung killer whale tsaka bear.
Oo, wala ka sa level 5 creatures eh. Sa sonar pulse.
Ay, matutuwa ka, Ray. Nakikita ko na siya eh. Hindi, nakikita ko na siya here.
Ayun siya! Picture na natin kang grizzly bear.
Wait, Ray, baka lumayo muna yung grizzly bear.
Ay, oo nga.
Statue yan eh. As in, ang lapit ng grizzly bear, oh.
Dito tayo sa left.
Oh, si Winnie the Pooh.
Yellow daw sa Winnie.
Grabe siya.
May ano yan.
Oh.
Yeah, that thing cannot be over 2 years old. Very, very tiny.
Wow, Winnie the Pooh. Ano kaya kinakain yan?
Maybe honey?
Don't get stuck with the barrel, buddy.
It's too late. Honey.
So the downward dog and stuff.
Ayan na, nag-chill na siya.
Masyado maraming pagkain.
Buti na lang nakita namin ni Ira yung front niya kanina kasi mukhang masaya na siya dun sa barrel niya.
Mag-hibernate na siya sa barrel.
At least nagpapahinga siya.
Baka siya isa sa tapo.
This is the First Nations Knowledge Trail.
Parang yung sa Australia, yung may mga plants. Oh, poison ivy. Aralin na natin to. Char.
Sige, aralin mo. Bakit?
Asan ba ito yan? Ito siguro, no?
Oh,
Mukhang ito.
yeah.
I think poison ivy. Okay, that's poison ivy.
really? A fish clan?
Fish clan. Ano pala ito avatar?
Anishinaabe. Beaver clan.
Yeah, no.
Ito yan, Canadian yan. Elders recognize that storytelling.
Ano the moose?
Yeah, ayun, moose. Supersized for survival. What does that mean? Moose. Moose thrive in the towering trees and misty wetlands of Canada's cool and rugged evergreen forests, keeping plant growth under control. They also provide a supersized meal for predators like wolves. Vegetarians and swimmers daw pala sila.
I don't want it to be a meal.
Used to attract mates, fend off competitors, and act as built-in air conditioning. maniniwala na ako na talagang conserved ang mga animals here because wala sila. Sobrang laki kasi ng lupa nila eh. Oh. Nagtago lang sila eh. Walang moose. Sorry viewers, you'll have to satisfy yourself with the pictures a while ago. Pero kasi ang laki ng lupa nila eh, so na-appreciate ko naman yan.
Yeah.
Tayo ang mag-a-adjust, hindi sila. Okay. Walang moose. Kita mo ba sila, Ray? Walang moose. Okay lang, tama lang yan. Mag-chill lang kayo. Yan. So ibang view naman. Front view. Sarap ng weather here. So ito ang mukha ng mga tao na hindi nakita ng moose. At least nagchichill sila.
Yeah.
Baka tulog.
At least they're protected.
They're protected naman
We're
nga sila.
assuming that
They're protected and they're not dead.
The people.
Yeah. Sana hindi sila dead. Kasi wala sila dun eh.
Pero hindi sila dead.
Sana. Hindi, yun sana. Sabi ko legit.
Kaya
Sana
baka
safe sila.
3.5 yung rating
No?
ng Toronto Zoo kasi ibang animals hindi nagpapakita.
Tama yun.
Well,
At
tama.
least tayo mag-a-adjust.
Yeah.
Bumalik kayo.
Yeah.
Or pumunta kayo sa mga ano nila. Pero sorry sa mga viewers. Wala. Nag-chill yung moose. We walked an hour to not find the moose.
At least we found the grizzly bear and the cougar
Hindi ko rin nakita yung cougar ah. Nag-chill din yung cougar eh.
and the raccoons, the wild raccoons.
Yung raccoon din, saktong ko lang nakita. Nasa likod lang nung ano, yung likod lang nung raccoon.
Animal count so far. I
I saw the cute yung cattle.
yung cattle, yung mahaba yung name niya. At least may first na kaming cattle na nakita. Satisfied na kami even if hindi namin nakita yung moose.
Yung moose din nakita namin yung habitat nila.
Yeah.
At least mukhang legit naman na malaki nga yung enclosures nila.
Yeah. Kaya may swan kami nakita. So,
May swan. Hindi yun lang kasama sa exhibit yung swan. So mukhang that's it. Yun yung nilakad namin.
Later we'll find other animals.
Yeah. Yung mga Canadian animals are chilling.
Yeah. Like
They're chilling.
usual Canadian.
Like usual Canadians. Nag-chill yung mga wala. Nowhere to be seen.
May rights din sila.
Pero buti na lang, sarap talaga ng weather. So para kami nag-park lang ni Ira. Tsaka buti, libre. Hindi, joke lang. Kakat ka yun. Hindi, kasi kapag nagbabayad ka dito, tutulungan mo yung conservation nila eh. Oo, makonsensya ka. Hindi, okay lang magbabayad ka naman ng taxpayers' money.
I paid for my entrance to Planet Moon.
Ayaw nga. Yung anong binayad natin?
Application fee.
Application fee. Ang mas nagbayad pa tayo doon sa Bank of the Philippine Islands eh, sa Pinas. Kasi nagkakram ako nun. Did not think about that wisely. Ito na yung warning, steep hill. Pero at least, kasama na yung exercise built in. We saw the big butt of the bear.
Yes. And a bear in a downward dog position.
Chill siya eh, no? Nung pumasok siya dun sa food niya, hindi na siya bumalik. Yay, we'll be seeing an animal. May cougar, lumabas na siya. Yan yung cougar. Ay, Stig.
Maganda siya. Ang ganda niya.
Hindi pa ba tayo nakuha ng cougar before? Nakakita na tayo ng cougar.
Siguro na.
Stig.
Sabi, reduce your use of paper products.
Oo nga, support Canadian conservation programs. Look, sustainably harvested.
Wow.
Oh, putting on a show.
Wow.
Ay, hindi lumabas siya kasi may food dun eh.
Food, oo.
Sana okay lang siya na nakikita siya.
Maybe have to be quiet ata para hindi siya mabulaw.
Oh, there's another cougar. So at least masaya sila, hindi lang pala sila ano, alone. Yun. Oh. I wanna go back to the moose tracks now. Oh, nandun na yung moose. Naku po, wag mo kawayan. Wag. Meet kaya sila.
Kain siya.
Hindi mo kaawayan. Chill yung mga yan.
Hindi, ayan nga, nag-his nga siya.
Baka, cut siya eh.
Yun nga. Pinaprotektahan niya yung food niya eh. Hindi Disney.
Magka-bodies yan, Ray. Lagi sila magkasama eh.
This is the wild.
Lagi sila magkasama eh. Bodies yung mga yan. Hindi mag-aaway yung dalawang yan.
Mag-aaway yan.
Hindi, asa.
Pag nag-agawan ng pagkain.
Hindi. Busog yung mga yan, Ray. Ano ka ba? Ayun, may sarili siyang food eh, oh. Asa ka ba? Okay lang, lalagyan natin ng music dito sa mga comments natin ngayon. Hello, my wife.
Hello.
Eating her sandwich after sa Canadian na sa African domain. You know, spotted hyena rin. Oh, dog or cat? Actually, neither. Hindi naman siya na-shoot. May nag-kissing scene. Ay, ayun, hyena, ang galing. Hindi pala sila either dog or cat. They're a unique sila. Oh.
Who's sleeping? That's a hyena.
Bakit? Tulog lang siya. Nakawawa siya, no? Tingin mo.
The lion is next.
The lion's the my friend, let's go see a lion.
Oo nga.
Justin.
Tulog siya, no? Sana okay lang nga siya.
Wait, there's a huge cave.
Bye, hyena. Bird! There's a unique bird over there. What is that? Africa is home to one of the world's most dangerous volcanoes. Ay, pag pupunta tayo Africa, Ray, may mga kaibigan na ako.
Sorry. Sino?
Sinado tayo. Ay, hindi pala Africa. Ay,
oo.
oh, di ba? Si Message, sa ano siya? Zimbabwe. Southern ground hornbill. Show, Steve. Ang galing eh.
Ganda.
Ayun pa pala, may isa pa dun eh. Parang ang liit ng ano nila. Masaya kaya sila nun. Parang masyadong maliit yung enclosure nila. Hindi sila makalipad.
Nakalipad kaya sila? Or para sa dang chicken?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Lumalapit dun, no? Ako, I have to.
Wag. Ito na. Nag-overlay na siya sa picture niya. For the safety of the animals in our care, do not enter restricted areas caused by virus or feed any animals. Si ano yun, si Harangue. Alam mo yun? Si Harangue, yung gorilla, na sikat siyang gorilla kasi ano, may batang pumasok. So ngayon, kailangan siyang patayin. Hindi, syempre nabigla si Harangue. So medyo na-threat. Syempre nabigla siya eh. So sinugod niya yung baby eh. So kailangan siyang patayin. African lion. Wait lang, check muna natin to. There's the lion. Ganda niya. Sleeping. Lang, tulog lang. Pero kasi yung mga male lions, tamad talaga yung mga yun.
Yung mga women yung nag-ano sa
Oh, yung mga women yung nagpa-fight for them eh. Nag-hunt ng ano. Pero yung role niya, kalabanin yung mga other males. There's a gazelle over there. You know, gazelle.
Sabana talaga to.
Ayun siya. Baboon ba sila? Yun yung pinakamalapit eh.
Wanna look at more?
More African animals. Oh, what is that? Ano kaya siya?
An interesting bird.
Ano kaya siya, no? Nandun sa right, makikita natin kung ano siya. Ano kaya yan?
Parang hornbill?
Oh, it's a marabou stork. The balancing act. How plants and animals evolve. When the balance is lost, everything loses. Homo sapiens yung pang-tilt ng balance. In-eradicate natin yung mga yan. Ha? Ayun. Maraming giraffe. Oh. It's the circle of life. Oh.
Have you ever seen them fighting? Apparently they fight, yeah, but they're not.
We are now at the Red River Hogs. Oh, cute boar. It's a cute hog. Ayun po, ang dami nila. Maraming, it smells like poop here.
For sure.
Hello, hog. Hoggy hog. Oh, lamig, sarap. Oh, ang galing Ray, oh. In any given grill exhibit, you may see two young males that have become a separate group from the main family. The older Sadiki, a young black man, is reaching sexual maturity and soon to become a silverback. To avoid male-male aggression, there can only be one silverback in a troop. Decided to remove Sadiki from the family troop to ensure the overall health. Si Sadiki, kinukuha niya na yung leadership kay Charles. Second younger male is being introduced to form a bachelor group. Both Sadiki and will spend their days together. When they demonstrate that they are really comfortable, they will even spend their nights together, sleeping in close proximity to one another. Bachelor group. Galing Kinukuha na kay Charles. So si Charles tinulungan ng mga sapiens. Yun siguro si Charles, yung malaki. Baka saan ito? Tiyan mo, parang hirap nun kayo.
Mahirap yan. Yun yung sa yung sa aerial walk sa Pampanga.
Paano naging hindi delikado yan? Yan o.
Nilahalo naman sila, nakatight.
So ano mangyari pag nahulog sila?
Ha? Wala, may harness sila Ano nangyari? Pero kailangan lang tanggalin yung harness sila para mag-go.
Ang hirap nun
Mahirap. Yung aerial walk sa Pampanga, ganyan
Grabe.
Asian na yun,
Grabe, ang taas Fudge, what? That's so high. Walang fear yung Asian, no? That's crazy high. Like, as in really, really high. That's really, really high where that person is. Dang, no fear. That person has no fear. That person has no fear. That's incredible. That person has no fear. As in, sobrang taas nun. That's amazing.
Amazing nga siya. Amazing siya bata.
As in, ang taas nun. As in, not even joking. Nice! Go, go, go!
Go, baby girl.
That person is so high, like extremely high. As in, parang 10 siya.
Ayun o, lalakad pa siya dun sa walang hawakan. No?
Huh?
Oh, ayun o, sa magbabalance lang siya. Malakas.
GG?
Malakas ang bagay. Hindi, pero may harness naman eh. Pero
Ano mangyayari kapag ano?
na-try namin nga dun sa Pampanga.
Oo.
Yung aerial walk. Ganyan siya eh.
Grabe no, pag bata ka, no fear ka.
Nakakalula yun.
Okay, we're now going to the Americas and Tundra Trek. Nakakatawa na Canadian domain is represented by a moose, which cannot be seen a while ago. Hello, on the way to Tundra Trek and the Americas. It's so cold.
So cold.
Sarap.
Para kami yung mga first Asians who landed in Canada.
Wow.
That's
Trivia.
Trivia.
From the bridger. Nagbe-bridging na
the
siya eh.
Humans who landed in Canada are Asians.
Asians.
Did you know?
Yeah. So Ira's been attending her bridging, and through the first week, ang tinuro Rai is Canadian history, culture, laws, right?
Yeah.
Yung mga sinashare si Ira about yung human rights, yung love of Canadians, environment, and sige, ikaw magkanta Rai. Ikaw yung ano.
Kanilang flag. If you can see yung maple symbol.
Why is it the maple symbol?
It's a low power symbol according to the analysis.
Low power?
Oo. Unlike, kasi there's a comparison sa US and Canada. Na yung Canada daw is more passive than...
More passive.
Yeah, and more...
peaceful.
Peaceful, yes. More peaceful. They tolerate and cohabitate with different cultures.
Kaya parang yung maple leaf parang hindi aggressive.
Yeah.
Hindi dominant.
Hindi siya dominant. At ito yan, punta ka rin.
Yeah, nakita ko eh. Okay. Pero pabalik na eh, no? Pero...
Okay.
Tuloy mo.
If you can...
That's why parang peaceful nga yung maple leaf eh, no?
And it also symbolizes the love and the value of Canadians for nature.
Ayun.
And for protecting the vulnerable.
Yeah, so because tinuturo yan sa inyo Rai bakit ulit sa bridging? Bakit nyo need malaman yan?
Because we're like a therapist. Yeah, kasi hindi mo matatanggal sa profession yung understanding of the culture. And since we will be dealing with a lot of people, we need to understand the culture. Paano yung history shaped and formed our society.
Turo mo yung beaver. Interesting yung beaver.
Sige, the beaver
is the national animal.
Hindi naman pala. First protected animal lang pala.
Hindi ba beaver?
Hindi pala siya. Baka moose. Hindi ko alam.
Ano yung national animal? Hindi, beaver.
Hindi ko alam kung beaver.
Beaver.
Pero...
Google ka. Wait lang. Wait lang video. There's a freebie close interaction of a squirrel.
It's eating freely.
It's so close, like ayun yung mga tao. This is so close. It's chilling. After seeing and being distracted by a squirrel eating a nut, we've confirmed the beaver is Canada's national animal.
Oh, okay.
So but the beaver, right?
Bakit beaver? Because it's also a vulnerable animal. So it shows the value of Canadians to protect the vulnerable.
Wow naman.
So kasi daw nagkaroon ng time na yung beaver felt was an industry here. So they trade it with they trade it sa mga Europeans for pinanggagawa nila ng mga hats sa Europe. So ngayon yung Hudson Bay is the area where they trade beaver felt.
Oh. So, paano na pinotektahan yung vulnerable ginagawang industry?
Yun nga, kaya nga first protected animal daw yung mga beavers. After nung industry na yun, they protected the beavers.
So tinigil yung industry.
Oo, tinigil yung industry.
Pero hindi ba sila din yung gumawa ng industry?
Pero sila din yung gumawa.
Pero tinigil na, no? Anong dinecide na?
Tapos yun nga, ang ginawa pa nilang national animal according to Google.
Oo.
Kasi they want to protect nga the vulnerable.
Tsaka gusto yung explanation mo na unlike for example US, di ba, na bald eagle, Pinas eagle din, na medyo dominant animals, parang showing strength. Di ba, parang magtataka ka na why beaver? Di ba? Parang napaka-simple animal, no? Yun yung kwento ni Ira sa akin.
Simple animal siya, low power symbol din daw.
So yun pala. Alam nyo na, pwede nyo kaming durugin sa war. Low powered. We are now at the Americas. Oo nga, ibang-iba na nga yung itsura ng mga animals sa Americas. Oo nga.
Parang makak ba yan?
Oo. So, tundra or Americas? So, we just have... Yeah.
Dadaanan natin itong Americas.
Sure. We just have 2 hours left and we still have a lot of sections to go, but we're just going to prioritize the tundra and the Americas kasi yun yung far from Asia. We also went to Australia before, so we know Australia, Asia already, Australasia. So tundra and Americas. So there are pavilions for each section, but we've not been to the pavilions for the others. Oh, what's that? Galing! Otter! Oh! Ooh. Galing, oh!
Oh, are they playful? They're friends.
Galing!
Well, they'd be lonesome just to be by themselves.
Galing, oh!
There's a camera. Nice. Well, I think there's more than 2.
Ano yan? Toad frog. Nasa taas siguro siya. Yeah, nasa taas siya. Galing. Oo nga, so minsan nagsiswimming siya here, no? Hey, may photo tips. Focus on the eyes. Adopt an animal. Support the zoo. Ito ang habitat ng polar bear. Walang polar bear itself.
Yeah, maybe it's too hot for the polar bear.
Oo nga, no? Parang cooler yung dun, eh. Ayun yung polar bear! Nakahiga siya there! Ayun o, kung nasan yung tao. Ayun sa likod ng tao.
Oo nga. Nandun nga, kaya pala nagpapapicture yung mga tao.
Tulog yung polar bear.
Oo nga eh.
Punta na tayo doon namin. Oh, that's a tundra wolf. Ang galing, oh. White wolf. Para siyang si Ghost. Para siyang si Ghost. Si direwolf ni Jon Snow.
Oo nga, tama.
Si Ghost siya, no? Si Ghost. Go, Ghost.
Yung mga bata.
Ha? Yun, oh.
Taas din, no?
Ayaw nga, may naglalaro lang doon. May zipline. Stigo, taas din, no? Sobrang taas na, no? Kaya pala may sumisigaw. Ay, ito! Si Ghost! Ghost!
Ganda si Ghost.
Fudge!
Ganda, oh.
Damn!
Damn.
Fudge! Shit na, no? Ganda ni Ghost.
Pretty.
Ghost. So pretty.
Para siyang husky eh.
Ano yun, no? Majestic siya. Oh. Gumalaw si Wolf. Tago na. Oh, those are polar bear. Oh, sorry. You're correct. Gonna preserve and protect Canadian wetlands. Ganda rin na ano rin tayo na exercise as in talaga walking talaga to. Pero sarap. Yay, Eurasia. This will be most likely our last section unless kaya pa namin. Pero solved na kami parehas ni Ira. Yay, Eurasia Wilds. Ay, may mga fake horses and camels. Eurasia Wilds. Galing oh. Dito na tayo sa Russian ano na.
Hindi pa tayo nakapunta dito sa mga area.
Hindi pa.
Kailangan natin.
Well, Japan din. Kasama pala sa Eurasia yung Japan?
Hindi. Ito yung Europe.
Ayun nga eh.
Europe, Asia.
Ayun nga eh. Ayan, Russians na. Hungary, Caspian Sea, Himalayas. Tara, tignan natin yung Eurasia. Ayun oh. Ibang itsura na yung mga beer. Hello dear. Tara dito. Ay. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Okay na.
Lamig, sarap.
Oh no.
Oops, aray ko. Sorry na. We have another freebie.
Alvin.
Si Alvin yan. Hello Alvin. Mga cute rodent sila eh, no?
Hindi, tsaka cute. Mag-cute to. Itong itsura na to.
Ayan, cute rodent sila. Cute oh. Si Alvin nga yan, no? Oh, ang bilis niya. Yan ah. Tago na si Alvin. Amur Tiger Territory. Ah, si Kung Fu Panda.
Oo. Pero may mask.
Nagko-kung fu siya, Rab eh.
Oo.
As in literally nagko-kung fu siya eh.
Oo.
Wait, tama ba to? Siguro tama to.
What's this?
Mga red pandas.
Oh! Oh, Eurasia, no? Oo nga, dito nga yung mga red panda. Saan yan? Rare yan. Rare species.
Ay, wala. Wala sila. Animals temporarily off display due to weather and exhibit conditions. A dream home? Yurts are indigenous dwellings. Ingenious dwellings. Their circular shape makes them energy efficient. They have no wasted interior space and only the minimum surface area is left exposed to the elements. Popular sila for at least 8 centuries. Ang galing, no? 800 years, popular yan. Galing. Yurts.
Na dinadala, no? Dinadala nila.
Dinadala yan?
Oh, para content. Ayun. Traditionally made of wooden poles covered in felt fabric and sometimes hides, yurts are easy to carry, set up, and dismantle.
Oo nga, no? Galing, no? Yurts. Instead of a yak, we just look at a bird flying.
Ano, falcon?
Hindi pala falcon yan, sabi ni Ira.
Ayan siya.
Stellar Sea Eagle yan.
Oo. Ayun, ang kamukha niya eh. Oh, kamukha niya. Yun, oh.
So, iba pala siya, hindi pala siya falcon.
Pero mukha sa eagle eh.
Oo nga eh. Oo nga, mukha nga siyang eagle eh, no? Hindi niya kamukha nga yun eh, no? Kala ko falcon siya. Pero forma niya pa rin. Oo nga, yung falcon parang iba yung tsura rin. Eh. So, eagle pala siya. Pero forma. Kaya pala kamukha niya yung ano eh, yung bald eagle ng Amerika. Tapos, currently buhay na sila nung Ice Age. So 10,000 years old na yung mga species na yun. They're the relics of the Ice Age. Hello! So we're done with Toronto Zoo!
Yay!
Kumusta experience mo, my wife?
It's fun. It's beautiful. Ang ganda yung buong location and maganda na, very spacious. May spaces for the animals. Hindi siya overwhelming. So, and we love the weather.
Yeah.
The weather's perfect.
See you again next time.